Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my students at home. I hope you are enjoying your holiday, and I believe you are keeping safe. Last week we started with angle properties of parallel line. Then we did corresponding angles, alternate angles, and angle on a straight line. Thereafter, I gave you an example and assignment. Some of you submitted the assignments, and I was highly impressed with what I saw in the assignment. Today we are going to look at the remaining angles, which is vertically opposite angles, interior opposite angles, and supplementary angles. Vertically opposite angle. The property. Vertically opposite are equal. First, for which angle are vertically opposite? Before we know the ones that will be equal. Angle M and angle P, they are vertically opposite. Angle N and angle O, they are vertically opposite. Angle Q and angle T, they are vertically opposite. Angle R and angle S, they are vertically opposite. Which means the value of all those angles that are vertically opposite, they are equal. For example, if angle O is equal to 120 degrees, angle N must be 120 degrees. If angle T is 75 degrees, angle Q must be 75 degrees. Because they are vertically opposite. If your angle M is equal to 50 degrees, your P must be 50 degrees. They are vertically opposite. On and on like that. Interior opposite. Interior opposite angles are supplementary. This means the sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees. Which angles are supplementary? Angle C and angle E, they are interior opposite. Angle D and angle F, they are interior opposite. That is, when you add angle C, the value of angle C and the value of angle E together, they must give you 180 degrees. When you add the value of angle D and the value of angle F together, they must give 180 degrees. So that means angle C and angle E, supplementary angles. Angle D and angle F, they are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Two angles are supplementary when they add up to 180 degrees. The first one, examples of supplementary angle. The first one is sum of angles on a straight line. When you have two angles on a straight line, add the two together. If the sum must give you 180 degrees. If one is 130, the other one must be 50. 130 plus 50, 180. If one is 140, the other one must be what? For 40. And it could be 90-90. When you have two 90 degrees, that is two right angles. It is two right angles. You have two right angles on a straight line. 90 plus 90. That means those angles are supplementary. Some of interior angles, the one we just explained. Some of interior, C and C plus E, D plus F. Let's go to example. Find lettered angles in the figure below. We have angle X, Y, and Z there, and an angle is given, which is 111. You can start from anywhere. Angle Y and angle 111, they are on a straight line. They are on a straight line. So sum of angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Angle 111 and angle X, they are also on a straight line. So you could get X and Y from straight line. For Z, last week that we did alternate angles. This is the example here. 111 and Z, the alternate angles. So your Z is alternate angles. Your Z alternate 111. So your Z and 111, the alternate angles. That was last week work. But for the purpose of today, X and Z, they are interior opposite. X and Z, they are interior opposite and they are supplementary. Let's look at the solution. X plus 111 is equal to 180 degrees. That is sum of angle on a straight line. X 111. So that one leads to an equation. X minus 180. X is equal to 180 minus 111. Your X is equal to 69. If you look at it, your X is vertical opposite to Y. So your Y is equal to X and they are both equal to 69. Implies that we've gotten our Y to be 69. For Z, X plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of interior opposite. And we've gotten our X to be 69. That means Z plus 69 is equal to 180 degrees. That leads to an equation. Your Z is equal to 180 minus 69. Your Z is equal to 111 degrees. And if you look at it, alternate angle, X alternate 111. Your Z is equal to 111. And when you do it from interior opposite, you still get your 111. Example 2. An angle is given up here, 67 degrees. We have 3 angles there to get R, S, and T. The first one is that R. R is 67 degrees, vertically opposite. You can see that R and 67 they are vertically opposite. Then from that, R plus S is equal to 180. So if I'm going a straight line, you can see it. R plus S or S plus R, whichever way, the addition gives you 180 degree. So that will lead to an equation. Since our R is 67, so that means 67 plus S is equal to 180 degrees. S is equal to 180 minus 67. Our S is equal to 113 degrees. We've gotten S there. It means what? It means T. Like I said, you could do that one too in 2 ways. Your S is equal to T, alternate angle. Can you see it? Alternate angles. For the purpose of today's work, R plus T is equal to 180. That is interior opposite angle. R plus T is equal to 180. Since we've gotten our R to be 67, so 67 plus T is equal to, that's another equation there. 67 plus T is equal to 180. Your T is equal to 180 minus 67. Your T is equal to 113 degrees. If you look at it, S 113, T 113. We got that one from alternate angles. And R plus T, we've gotten our R to be 67, vertical opposite to this. So R plus T, that is 67 plus T is equal to 180 degrees, interior opposite. That one too will give us what? 113 degrees. So far so good. Here we are going to stop for this morning. Next class, we'll go to another topic. But yet, you go to assignment page to see the assignment there, which we are going to submit latest Friday. So I wish you happy Eid al-Fitr in advance. I pray Almighty Allah to ease this pandemic for us, so that we'll continue with our normal life. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.